Yeah, that's not me. Sounds exactly like me. Just 10 seconds of my voice, done. Now anyone in any clip can match my lines perfectly. You don't have to record every video yourself anymore. One voice sample can generate endless versions.
Have you seen those viral talking photo videos on TikTok and Instagram? The ones where a picture suddenly starts singing, cracking jokes, or acting out a mini drama? Now you can make them yourself. CapCut has just launched a new feature called AI Dialogue Scene. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's dive in. CapCut is an all-in-one video editing platform that works both online and on PC. You can download the PC version for the best experience, and if you don't want to download, you can also use it directly on their website. AI Dialogue Scene is a photo animation tool powered by AI. It takes a single photo and an audio track, then brings your picture to life with lip sync, facial expressions, and emotions that perfectly match the voice. You can use it for short drama skits, character role play, storytelling and podcasts, singing edits, reaction videos and memes. Add multiple photos and give each one its own dialogue.
Sa new iPhone thing's past it, morphing stuck in your file the rate sige.
Yeah, it was pretty wild, right?
Perfect for duets, interviews, or group scenes. Flexible dialogue options. Type your own script. Record your voice with a microphone. Extract audio from a video. Pick a trending song. Use clips from your favorites library. Adjustable duration. Choose 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds depending on your content. 100+ voices. From meme voices and character tones to narrators and podcast-style voices. Great for storytelling. Works well for POV, narration, and first-person content. Open CapCut Launch. CapCut on your computer and go to AI Dialogue Scene under the Avatar Tools section. Upload a photo, select a clear portrait from your computer. Front-facing photos work best, but creative angles and illustrations also work well. Add dialogue. Choose how to add audio. Type text, record with your microphone, extract from a video, select a song, or use a saved clip. Select from the voice library. You can pick trending, funny, emotional, or professional tones and switch languages if needed. Set duration. Choose 4, 8, or 12 seconds, depending on whether you're making a meme, a dialogue, or a mini scene. Upload more photos to create group scenes or duets. Assign each character a different script and timing. Click Generate, and let the AI bring your photo to life with realistic movement and expressions.
Sometimes I wonder if anyone really notices the quiet moments, the ones we keep to ourselves.
Watch the result and adjust voices, timing, or dialogue until it feels right. You can even bring an old family photo to life, making it talk and share memories in a way that feels magical.
Hey, did you really just turn my photo into a talking video? Of course. And now I can say whatever I want.
Or you can create funny skits by using 2 photos together, like a mini drama between friends. And for social media, you can turn a single portrait into a quick talking post that instantly grabs attention. The video to your computer and share it directly on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Turn podcast audio into animated visuals. Create funny meme edits. Try singing videos synced with music. Use reaction clips with trending audios. And that's how you can create your own talking photo videos with CapCut's AI Dialogue Scene. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out the link in the description and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.